Aria, Santa. Aria, Santa. Who's first, Santa? Santa, what's the name for me?
Faccio del... We are Italian. You can understand.
Can you say Merry Christmas in Italian?
Buon Natale.
Buon Natale. I love it. Buon Natale.
Grazie.
Oh, no. That is such a fun. I hope you have a great time.
Take a picture of the elf.
What's your name? Celine? Well, hello.
What are your names actually?
You guys excited to see Santa? Alright, you're getting closer and closer to the big guy, so make sure you know what you want to ask him for. Okay?
Mettiti là che ti faccio una foto.
Hello, that was your name.
You were good. Diglielo forte, dai.
What's his name?
Emanuele.
Emanuele.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Tiny.
One picture with time. Okay, thank you.
Merry Christmas, Emanuele. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, we are from Italy.
From Italy?
Yes.
Arrivederci. We're very happy to have you guys here.
Thank you, so you can understand me.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Emanuele.
Emanuele.
Emanuele. I love it. I love it. Santa's very excited to see you guys, okay?
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Hi, what's your name? Aria. Aria, Nala. Hello, my name is Tiny. I'm one of Santa's elves. I've been working really hard wrapping presents. Probably for good girls like you. Have you been nice this year? You're at the top of the list? Oh, good. I expect nothing less. I didn't even get to ask. I already know you guys already have. Santa has been waiting for this all day, so he has a lot of boys and girls to see. A lot of gifts. Thank you. He'll be seeing you guys very soon. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
That's a big present.
Come si chiamava?
Look at the face in the tree.
Merry Christmas. What's your name? Say hello. already know what you want to ask me for, right? Oh, here. Make sure everyone knows what they're asking for.
Yeah. It's in Santaland, in the middle of it.
So you came from Italy just to come see Santa Claus?
Just for you. The first time in New York, I promised to it,
Nice.
and now we are here.
What is your name? Wait, say that again.
Dillo di nuovo.
Emmanuel. Very nice. My name is Solstice.
Quello là.
The one thing getting us all through.
That's
Whoa, my
quello.
double trip player here.
Dici that's mine.
I made sure that we were.
Yeah.
How excited we get when we move 3 feet. I know. The kids are like anxious now. All right, guys, calm down. Come on. Hey. I don't remember that part.
You guys are all set.
Reservation?
Thank you. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hey, Grayson.
Maria, if you're happy, I'll take that. Do a double dance. Uh-oh, we got a triple. I should see your barcode when you get this.
Yes.
Love selling attention. It is. We can do our best thing with that. Come on, man. And where I was getting that number from.
No, it's okay.
Perfect. Making it up.
No, man.
My friends who are brothers.
Grayson, get them.
Have fun. Guys. All right, last. All right. See your barcode. And then 2 when you're working. All right. You excited? Perfect. All right. You're set.
What does Spider-Man do?
Yeah, we are from Italy. Okay.
You got it. You follow him.
Follow.
Perfect. How you guys doing?
You go around the corner, stop at the wreath, all right?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Sarà quando i babbi Natale ci sono qua. Babbi Natale. Mi fa prevedere.
We're gonna line up right there.
Yeah, that'd be amazing. Yeah, I got everything.
Thank you.
we get a high five? No, we still good Santa. Merry Christmas. Come this way. Have a seat. Ho, 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 ho.
Okay, so we're gonna look right at the camera. Right here. Over here. Oh, I'm trying to take cookies. Okay, big smile.
Big smile. Ready.
Now come on, that's two, sir.
Okay. Merry Christmas. Jangan di pamilya ada leche. Merry Christmas.
Thank you for visiting.
This is for you for visiting here today and for you as well.
Thank you.
Of course, Merry Christmas, guys. Pictures on the right, exit on the left. Hello, guys.